Hello world, it's Craig. About 5 years ago, I did a video on the various representations of binary values. It's video number 31 if you need a refresher on binary, hex, octal, split octal, and so forth. In that video, I did some binary to decimal conversions using the double and add method. I didn't explain what I was doing, but now I need to lay some groundwork before I can do my next video, which is about converting binary values to decimal in 8-bit assembly language. So let's get on with what is possibly the most useful mental tool for assembly programmers, the double and add method for converting binary values to their decimal equivalent. Now this is different than the double dabble method because there's no dabbling going on. We're only going to be doubling and adding. To convert any binary value to its decimal equivalent, start with the most significant bit. The rule is to double the running value in your head with each bit and then add in the value of that bit. So let's do 01010, which is A in hex or 10 in decimal. It doesn't matter how many leading zeros there are, doubling and adding them still just gives 0. So we're going to start this to the left of the 1, and our running total in our head is 0. We double that, which is 0, and then we add 1 to get 1. We double that to get 2, and then we add 0 to get 2. Double that to get 4, add 1 to get 5. Double that to get 10, add 0 to get 10. And we're done. The answer is 10, like we knew it was. Now let's do an 8-bit value. 1100 1001. So that's C9 in hexadecimal, which is going to be 201 in decimal. We start at 0, we add to get 1. We double to 2, add 1 to make 3. Double to 6, add 0, it's still 6. Double to 12, still 12. Double to 24, add 1 to make 25. Double to 50, still 50. Double to 100, still 100. Double to 200, add 1 to make 201. You can check it with the calculator, but C9 hexadecimal is 201 in decimal. In my last video, a commenter mentioned that they were working on a binary to decimal converter program, which is why this whole thing came up, and I decided to do this video next. And in their example that they left, they needed to convert the value 3E7D as an example of exactly what they wanted to do into decimal. So let's do that. 30011 E1110 70111 D is 1101. Okay, so we go starting with 0 in our head. We add 1, so we got 1. We double it. 2 plus 1 gives 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. 14 and 1 is 15. 30 and 1 is 31. We double it to 62. 62 and 62 is 124. 124 is 128 plus 1 is 248, so plus 1 is 249. 498 plus 1 is 499. Double to make 998 plus 1, 999. Double to make 1998, and 1 is 1999. Double to make 3998, and 1 is 3999. Double to make 7998. Add 0, double to make 15996, and add 1 to make 15997. So let's put in a Windows calculator to check. 3E7D is 15997 in decimal. Well done. High praises to the geniuses that came up with these kinds of techniques years ago. In the next video, I'm going to go through a little utility that does this binary to decimal conversion. I just need to polish it up a bit. It's going to do it with the double and add, but I think doing it with double and add or doing the double dabble method is just a matter of personal preference. The next video is going to be double and add. I may come back later and do the double dabble. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.